It's, again, we discussed last time, when you have a foreshadowing, especially to push the foreshadowing is not only about the crime was done and then the resolution of the crime is going to be shown at the end of the movie. It's not about that. There are small foreshadows that will push also your story forward. So, and those are more about information. So we are told about the concubines and the babies that are sick or are almost about to die. And right away, a few pages later, we are shown the characters that are going through that trouble in action, talking about it and fighting about it. So again, foreshadow, you have a hint and you have the response of that. And then again, here as well, she starts to figure out like what is the issue. She starts to see that the doctor cannot do anything, and we start to feel like she knows the answer. And then we don't know what she did here, but it feels to us that she's going to do something, right? And then we get the answer here. We start to see that she did something. We don't know what she did, at least in the Shogakukan version. So basically, give small foreshadows and answer right away so you can keep the story moving forward within the pages.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.